So hey guys, welcome to another video. This is just going to be a pretty short one. Apologies for the mic here and my mouse, but basically, remember the time where I made the video on the Jaybird Vista and how I said it was really good after a long time and all that? Well, one of the sites kind of shot up, so this site kind of has an intermittent connection where sometimes it could outright lose signal and all of that. So like it could be totally mute on this side. This side is still pretty fine, but yeah. So yeah, after heavy usage of these one side is pretty shit right now. So I contacted Jaybird and they sent me out a very replacement unit as well, a whole replacement unit for just essentially a shot up earbud. But yeah, and if you notice something, it is actually pretty big. It's almost as big as my hand compared to the previous Vista, which was around this size. It was a very small package, and yeah, so let's show it up. So it's just the same old thing. So it's apologies because I'm using on one hand. So yeah, and you can see clearly that it's way different from the previous, more minimalistic packaging of the original Jaybird Vistas that I reviewed. But yeah, so yeah, I think they updated the packaging or something because it definitely looks a bit more premium than before. So here you go. This is my new replacement Vista buds, and yeah, of course I still have to charge it. So yeah, thank you so much Jaybird for sending a replacement unit. And yeah, standard shit pretty much is just accessories bag in here and your instructions. Yeah, earphones and charging cables inside, and yeah, the new case with the lanyard. Pretty standard stuff, but in a more robust packaging. They even have this little pull tab for you to pull out directly, rather than having to dig through your fingers to pluck out the thing. So yeah, thank you Jamie once again, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching.